What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go with Solana. Currently sitting at 242. We're up 3% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 114 billion, 24-hour volume 8 billion. So let's pop into the chart. I just took 25% profit on my Sol investment, which I entered at $19. So I made 11x. Only closed 25% because I do believe Sol has a long way to go, potentially to in between 600 and 800, maybe even further, but definitely happy to close 25% of my investment at an 11x gain. If you want to see all my investments as well as my trade signals, we're currently in 3 trades. Hang around to the end of the video where you can get completely free access to my trading group. So we pushed right up to our wave 3 target and the target of the descending triangle at 249. We pushed right to that target. So this would be a good place to see some pullback in a wave 4, but we are in a bull market, so price can just overextend. If it does, the next target on the trend-based sweep extension is the 261.8 at $317. If we were to pull back from here, I can quickly give you a zone to look for a bounce. Oh, my kitten, my little, whoa. My little baby kitten is meowing. Do you guys want to see him? Hold on. Come here, baby. Come on, say hello to YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Can I get it to focus on him a little bit closer? Yeah, her name is Perseus. Oh, there you go. Hello, YouTube. All right, bye-bye. Just got 2 6-week-old Mancoons, kittens. Should look up the breed on Google. It's the biggest cat breed in the world. And I named them Achilles and Perseus. So we've, if we're looking for a wave 4, you can take a fib retracement from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. Yes, I know. Crypto's very exciting. It's meowing. And your wave 4 pullback in between the 23.6 and the 50% in a wave 4. If we pull back from here, that's not promised, which is sitting in between. Yo, why are you meowing? I just fed you. She needs attention at all times. It's in between 226 and 201, and then you would push up in the wave 5. So that's what I'm looking at for Sol. Of course, we broke out of this beautiful target or this beautiful pattern, and we already hit the target. So good things coming for Solana. I can zoom out a little bit, show you guys the larger wave count. So you have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback, and now you're looking to push up in a wave 3. So I'll quickly give you a target for that. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. If you don't have a pet, I highly recommend one. They're lots of fun. So take a trend-based sweep extension off that bear market. Wow, come on, bro. Off the bear market low, all the way up to the wave 1 high, wave 2 pullback, and your wave 3 target is all the way up here at $432. So you put in that wave 3, you pull back into 4, put in the wave 5, complete the larger wave 3, pull back into 4, push up into 5, and that should take you up into your $600 range for our friend Solana. So that's what I'm looking at for Sol. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including in North America. Once you sign up, this is one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, send me an email. It takes 30 seconds. I'll give you access for life, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, my exact trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now, my Forex signals, and one of our members is giving signals all day long. We have almost 3,000 members in the group. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.